Good morning. I have something to show you. Look at the baby chicks. She makes this noise. It's a different noise, but something like that. When she wants them babies to either come to her or be careful. And it's very interesting. So I believe she has 9 or 10. 2 brown ones and 1 gray looking one. And then some mainly yellowish. I don't remember what kind of chicken she is per se. It's almost like you can just sit out and watch Mother Nature almost all day, and what all God does is beautiful. She's fluffed herself up, and it's so interesting because they go up under her and get warm. But baby, when these little chicks, they just be kicking their little food and just doing like the mother, like she's teaching them. It's just amazing. I want to also show my sweet potato slips that I've been growing. So I put a sweet potato that had little buds in the soil. And these are the slits that I pulled. Let me pull one out. I pulled this yesterday, and they all had stems, but I just set it in water for a day, and I want to see how this is gonna go. So this will be my first time doing this. So I was trying to see where I was gonna plant it, but they look really cute, really nice. Sweet potato slip. So I'm gonna put my potato slips in this container that I have full of soil, and I went and just pulled 3 because there's only enough room, I believe, for 3. I just watched a video on it. So it says I'm gonna put in different spaces. The soil is already wet. It's been raining down here in the great state of Texas. So it says 2 to 3 inches. This is my first time planting potato slips. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I don't have my watering system connected in this area, so I'm just gonna have to make sure that I water this area. So I've made holes. I'm gonna slide it in. I think I'm gonna pull these last few, put those in there. I guess I'll take them out. Pull these, give them a little room. They grew really before I knew it. Once I planted that sweet potato in the soil halfway, or I left the buds uncovered, they did really, really well. So they look so pretty. They look almost like they could be a house plant to me. And they look really, really nice. So I'm just gonna push down. I have one more. And I'm just pulling the lower stems out just in case. And so, the lower leaves, I'm sorry. Let me make sure this hole is good. And we have a plant. I have my first sweet potato slips. And then just gonna add some more water. More water. I had some some bananas in this water. We usually eat a lot of bananas, and so whenever I have to see if this is stopped up, because I always have to clean it out. So anyway, The goal is just to water it. So the good thing about it, like I said, because I haven't planted anything in here before, never ever before. And this is compost. I've gotten compost from the city dump. They always put a bio-loom compost. But boy, these look so pretty. So we just gonna pray about it and thank God for his glory and beautiful things that he creates. So all right, that's what we got. 00J Love.